Matrices part 2. If A equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 0, and I equal to 1 0 0 1, then prove that I plus A equal to I minus A times cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So let's consider LHS. LHS is I plus A. That is 1, and here minus tan alpha by 2 plus 0 will give minus tan alpha by 2, and this will give tan alpha by 2, and this will give 1. So this is LHS. Now let's consider RHS. RHS is I minus A. That is 1 0 0 1 minus 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, and 0. We are considering this thing first. So this will become 1 tan alpha by 2. Then this will become minus tan alpha by 2, and this will become 1. So this is I minus A. Now I minus A should be multiplied to I minus A is this 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2. 1 is to be multiplied to cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Let's multiply and simplify. So it will give cos alpha plus sin alpha times tan alpha by 2, and here it will be minus sin alpha plus cos alpha times tan alpha by 2. This will become sin alpha. Let's write minus tan alpha by 2 times cos alpha plus sin alpha, and last one will be sin alpha times tan alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. If you observe carefully, this term and this term is same, and this term is negative of this term. So this we have to prove as 1. This will also be 1, and then these two will be negative of one another. So let's start from first one. So here we can write cos alpha as cos square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha by 2. Region is cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sine square x, or cos square x minus sine square x. So here cos x or cos alpha is written in terms of half angle. So cos square alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 plus this will become 2 sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Sine 2x equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, and this is sine alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. So we are treating first term only. Then separately we will do second term and third terms, etc. So it will become cos square alpha by 2. From here, this cos alpha by 2 will cancel out, minus sine square alpha by 2 plus it will become 2 sine square alpha by 2. So 1 sine square alpha by 2 will cancel out from here. So we will get cos square alpha by 2 plus sine square alpha by 2, which is 1. It means first term and last terms are 1. Now consider second term. So second term is minus sine alpha. So let's write it in terms of half angle. 2 sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 plus, for cos alpha we write cos square alpha by 2 minus sine square alpha by 2 times tan alpha by 2 is sine alpha by 2 times divided by cos alpha by 2. So we take LCM. It will become cos alpha by 2, and this cos alpha by 2 will get multiplied to this term. So minus 2 sine alpha by 2 into cos square alpha by 2 plus here cos square alpha by 2 times sine alpha by 2 and minus sine cube alpha by 2. So let's simplify it further. So it will become, this is cos square alpha by 2 times sine alpha by 2. This is double of it. So minus cos square alpha by 2 sine alpha by 2 will be left from here minus sine cube alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. So if we take minus sine alpha by 2 common, so we will get cos square alpha by 2 plus sine square alpha by 2 divided by cos alpha by 2. So this will become 1. So we will get minus tan alpha by 2. So we have got the values. So first term is 1. Second term is minus tan alpha by 2. Third term will be tan alpha by 2. And last term will be 1. So we have got LHS equal to RHS. That was to be proved. Thank you for watching.